Hello. Let's talk about something powerful, the idea of thinking and acting as if you already have everything you desire. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about creating the reality you want by shifting your mindset and your actions. We often get caught up in waiting for the perfect moment or the right circumstances to take action. But here's the truth, you don't have to wait. In fact, the key to manifesting what you truly want is to act as if it's already yours. You've heard the phrase, fake it till you make it, right? There's much more depth to this idea than we give credit for. It's not about pretending to be something you're not. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the reality you want to create. When you start thinking and acting as if you have it all, you shift your perception. You start seeing opportunities where before there were obstacles. You stop waiting for things to happen and begin making them happen. Your thoughts become powerful tools for creation, and your actions reflect the belief that what you want is already yours. This mindset creates a shift in your energy, and the universe responds to that energy. It's all about belief. You must believe, deeply and unwaveringly, that everything you desire is already yours. Whether it's success, love, wealth, or health, believe that it is yours right now. You see, our external reality is merely a reflection of our internal state. If you truly believe that you have it all, your actions will align with that belief, and your external world will start to reflect it. This may seem like a simple idea, but it's one of the most powerful principles you can apply to your life. When you truly believe that everything you want is already on its way to you, you'll notice how your energy changes. You'll feel more confident, more at peace, and more capable of achieving what you want. Your thoughts will shift from doubt to certainty. And with that certainty, you'll find yourself taking inspired action that aligns with your dreams. Now, let's explore how to think and act as if you already have it all. The first step is to decide what you want. Be clear about your desires. This is not the time to be vague. Be specific about what you want to manifest in your life. Whether it's a dream job, a loving relationship, or financial abundance, get clear on it. The universe responds to clarity, and the more specific you are, the more aligned your energy will be with what you want. Once you've defined your desires, it's time to start visualizing them. Picture yourself already living the life you want. Imagine waking up in the house of your dreams, going to your ideal job, or enjoying the kind of relationship you've always wanted. Engage all your senses in this visualization. Feel the emotions that come with living your dream life. The more vividly you can imagine it, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. And when your subconscious mind accepts this vision as reality, your actions will begin to reflect it. It's important to note that this process is not about daydreaming. It's about feeling the reality of your desires as if they have already come true. The key is to embody the feelings of having it all right now. How would you feel if everything you wanted was already in your life? Would you feel confident? Grateful? Joyful? Tap into those emotions and carry them with you throughout your day. As you continue to visualize and feel the emotions of your desires, begin acting as if you already have them. This doesn't mean you need to wait for everything to fall into place before you take action. No, action is key. But the difference is in the kind of action you take. When you believe that what you want is already yours, your actions will come from a place of confidence and certainty, not fear or doubt. For example, if you desire financial abundance, start managing your money as if you already have the wealth you want. Pay your bills with a sense of abundance rather than scarcity. If you're seeking a loving relationship, act as though you are already in a healthy, supportive relationship. This might mean treating yourself with love and care, or it might mean going out and meeting new people, confident that you deserve the love you seek. The key to this is consistency. It's not enough to just think and act as if you have it all for one day or 1 week. This has to become a way of life. You must align your thoughts, emotions, and actions consistently. If you slip into doubt or fear, gently shift back into the belief that your desires are already yours. This might take practice, but it's worth it. You see, the universe responds to your energy. If you're constantly acting from a place of scarcity or lack, you'll continue to attract more of the same. But when you act as though you already have everything you desire, you raise your vibration and attract experiences that match that vibration. Your reality begins to shift, and you start seeing opportunities, people, and situations that support your desires. There's also a deep sense of inner peace that comes with thinking and acting as if you already have it all. When you truly believe that everything is unfolding for you, there's no need to stress or worry about the future. You're no longer waiting for things to change, you're simply living in the knowledge that everything is already in motion. This peace allows you to relax, enjoy the present moment, and trust that everything is working out for your highest good. Another important aspect of this practice is gratitude. When you begin to think and act as if you already have it all, you cultivate a deep sense of gratitude. You're no longer waiting for something to happen to be grateful. Instead, you're grateful for everything that you already have, and for everything that is on its way to you. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for attracting more of what you want. The more grateful you are, the more you attract into your life to be grateful for. It's also essential to maintain faith. Faith is the belief in things unseen, the belief that what you want is already on its way to you, even if you don't see it yet. This is where trust comes in. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Trust that everything you desire is already on its way to you, and trust that it will come at the perfect time. You might find that challenges arise as you begin this practice, and that's okay. Challenges are simply opportunities for growth. They're not signs that you're on the wrong path. In fact, challenges often come just before a breakthrough. When they arise, don't let them shake your belief that you already have everything you want. Instead, face them with the confidence that you're capable of overcoming them, and that they're simply part of your journey. When you begin to think and act as if you already have everything you want, something remarkable happens. You stop chasing your desires and start attracting them. The moment you align your thoughts with the reality you wish to create, you activate a powerful force within you. This force is not something you have to wait for, it's something you already possess. All you need to do is shift your mindset to match the frequency of the life you want to experience. And once you do that, things begin to change, often in ways you never expected. It's easy to get distracted by what you don't have or the obstacles that stand in your way. The key is to stop focusing on what's missing and instead focus on what you already have and what's coming your way. When you act as if everything is already in place, you stop struggling against the current of life and start flowing with it. You trust that things will unfold as they should, and with that trust comes a sense of inner peace and security. And here's the most important thing: enjoy the process. This isn't a race, and there's no need to rush. Life is meant to be enjoyed, and when you act as if you have it all, you'll start to experience more joy, peace, and fulfillment. You'll begin to see that everything you desire is already here, and that you're simply unfolding it in divine timing. Trust the process, have faith, and be consistent. And watch as your reality begins to shift in alignment with your desires. You have everything you need inside of you, and by changing your thoughts and actions, you can bring your dreams into existence. The power is within you, and it's time to use it.